Jetly reviews the top reasons to book a private jet for your next vacation. New York Weekly. In a day where travel is not just about the destination, but also about the journey, the allure of private jet travel is becoming increasingly irresistible. Jetly, a pioneering private jet charter technology company, has revolutionized this sector by making private air travel accessible through a mobile app. Ultimate comfort and luxury. One of the most compelling reasons to choose a private jet is its unmatched comfort and luxury. This environment is comfortable and conducive to relaxation or productivity, depending on your needs. Privacy and exclusivity. Privacy is a rare commodity in public flights. However, private jets provide an exclusive environment where you can hold confidential business meetings, spend quality time with family, or simply enjoy solitude in the skies. Time efficiency and flexibility. Commercial flights come with their share of time-consuming processes like early check-ins, long security lines, and layovers. This flexibility extends to last-minute changes or sudden plans, accommodating the unpredictable nature of both business and leisure travel. Access to more airports. Private jets have the advantage of accessing smaller, less crowded airports closer to where you need to be. This accessibility can significantly reduce your overall travel time and make remote or hard-to-reach destinations more accessible. Personalized service. Enhanced safety and hygiene. The ability to avoid crowded airports and public spaces further enhances the safety aspect, making private jet travel a preferred choice for those cautious about health risks. Pet-friendly travel. For those who love to travel with their furry friends, private jets are a blessing. Unlike commercial flights, where pets often have to travel in cargo, private jets allow pets to be with you in the cabin, making the journey less stressful for both you and your pet. Status and prestige. This perception can be beneficial in professional circles, where making a strong impression is crucial, and in social settings where it can open doors to unique opportunities and experiences. No better way to travel. The reasons to consider booking a private jet for your next vacation are compelling. From luxury and comfort to time efficiency and personalized service, private jet travel offers an experience that is hard to match. As highlighted in Jetly reviews, whether it's for business or pleasure, a private jet charter can transform your travel experience, making it as memorable as the destination itself.